It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
We got this at Walmart and it got chocolate marshmallows. And chocolate's inside, and when you roast it on fire, chocolatey. So let's set them out and see how they are. Ooh, fancy.
Stuffed puffs, filled marshmallows with real chocolate. Looks like a regular marshmallow on the outside.
Mom?
Chocolate filled on the inside. It is hard piece of chocolate, so
Mom,
once you roast it
get,
and it melts, we'll see how it turns out.
Mom, can you get mine on here?
Yep.
Mine.
They look old and shriveled. Yeah.
Mom, go roast mine. Mom, can you give me a bite of mine?
Can you take a bite of yours?
I can't. It's too marshmallowy.
Oh, Mom, on the stick there's melted chocolate. Yeah. Mom, could I take a bite?
That's yummy
Mama?
compared to the chocolate.
Wow.
Yum.
Wow.
Wow.
Super gooey. Yes, it is gooey. And the chocolate, you just bite in the middle. It all goes in, or most of it stays off. Or on the marshmallow.
Mom, can you help
Nice,
me?
gooey and melted.
The inside of the chocolate is actually kind of cold.
Mom, I didn't eat all of mine yet.
And it would be good.
Mom, mine's not eaten all yet.
Mine, I didn't get in the middle, so it just spun around. So I had to get lots of the stuff off and make it stick to the
Super sticky, but I would give them a thumbs up.
I love them.
I want to bite again, Mom. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, what did you think?
I don't really care for marshmallows too much, but it was pretty tasty.
They're pretty good. The chocolate actually has a pretty good flavor. It's much different than Hershey's, but it's good. I can't even explain how it's different, but chocolate's just different, huh? Do you like this chocolate better or Hershey's chocolate better?
Hershey's chocolate tastes better. It's almost like they did something to make it a little harder so it wouldn't fall off the stick, maybe.
And so when you first put them on the stick, it's kind of hard to get the stick on because the chocolate's in the middle and you can't really poke through the chocolate. It's kind of hard. Doug used one of these kind of sticks, so it kind of just sat in the middle between the two things, and then the chocolate was in the middle. You have to kind of slow cook them on the fire so that the chocolate melts. The marshmallows themselves seem a bit stickier than regular marshmallows that we normally have.
Mom, can you give me a bite of mine again?
But they're pretty good. If you don't want to have to buy chocolate and marshmallows, you want just the ease and convenience, that's a good way to go. Stick them in a graham cracker and you got your s'mores. Or if you just like to eat the marshmallows.
Yum. Yum, that's the stick.
All right, I'd say they're thumbs up. They cost probably equivalent to buying marshmallow and chocolate. You just get them all in one bag. And of course the kids love them too.
Can you give me another bite?
Ready? They're delicious.
They're delicious.
They're delicious.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.